Okay, hi guys. So today we're gonna be making slime. This time we're not gonna be making it with Tide. We are gonna be making it with glue, school glue, and some molten salt. So first, I'm gonna put salt. Close the door all the way.
Okay.
Okay.
You don't want to put too much glue. I like half it up a little bit.
What?
Like I put, the glue. I put
That spoon, that butter knife I had.
it's right down the floor. Okay. Yeah. Like I put some glue where it had salt, so like halfway to the tin.
Oh, I don't want to put that much. So you just poured it in.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna put some salt, guys. That's it. Now we're gonna mix it.
And you gotta keep on adding until they get like.
I put a lot right there.
See.
Oh my god, guys. This is my first time making slime. So if it doesn't work.
It's gonna take a while to like put it together and stuff. It's not gonna be like usually how other slime is, but
Ew.
yeah. I didn't really.
Ow. It burns my cut.
I didn't really play with it that much. I didn't like play with it after
Oh my god, guys.
After I did it.
Okay, guys. So this is like this thing is really like watery. So to put that in the garbage place right there.
You gonna do it with the Tide then?
Yeah, guys. I'm gonna do it with the Tide because that did not work out like I wanted to. So.
Oh, I'll go put this on.
So that was it for today. Bye.